Something absolutely monumental is quietly developing inside the highly classified optical research labs of Fujifilm in Japan, and it is about to completely revolutionize the entire global street and documentary photography markets. While casual tech consumers and mainstream creators have spent all their energy obsessing over clinical, plastic-heavy hybrid cameras built for video blogs, a dedicated team of purist engineers has been quietly weaponizing a device that sounds like an absolute dream for true visual artists. If you think the premium rangefinder market has reached its absolute peak, or that film-like tactile photography has been reduced to a niche hobby, you are completely unprepared for the massive structural shift that is about to drop. A sudden, highly classified flood of precision mechanical part manifests, hybrid viewfinder substrate allocations, and internal factory registry leaks have officially blown the lid clean off Fujifilm's most deeply guarded, top-secret project, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. This is not just a routine, minor incremental update or a lazy cosmetic refresh to ride a wave of internet hype. Fujifilm is preparing to drop an absolute masterpiece of a camera, engineered from the ground up to completely crush the boundaries of documentary storytelling, street photography, and organic color science. For the past several years, serious documentary photographers and street purists have been forced into a deeply frustrating compromise. If you wanted a camera that offered a truly tactile mechanical connection to your art, one that forced you to slow down and think about composition rather than staring at a bright electronic screen, you had to shell out thousands of dollars for completely manual European luxury brands that lack modern autofocus and stabilization. On the other hand, if you opted for modern autofocus capabilities, you were strictly locked into generic, screen-dominated bodies that feel more like sterile computers than real photographic tools,
completely destroying the soul and spontaneity of candid shooting. True, groundbreaking innovation in the rangefinder segment had hit an absolute brick wall, leaving a passionate global community of street shooters feeling completely abandoned. But behind closed doors, Fujifilm's leadership realized that playing it safe would lead to absolute creative stagnation. They decided to execute a total hardware and physical reboot of their flagship rangefinder philosophy. The concrete intelligence escaping their manufacturing facilities paints a picture of a camera so uniquely advanced that it is sending immediate shockwaves through the entire premium camera industry. To truly comprehend why the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is causing massive waves among serious photographers, we have to look directly at the monumental technological breakthrough happening at the very center of the machine. The global debut of a cutting-edge, 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor paired with a radical, completely redesigned advanced hybrid viewfinder. For years, the camera industry has tried to force photographers entirely into electronic viewfinders, which often feel laggy, artificial, and completely detach the shooter from the raw environment around them. Fujifilm shatters this limitation by refining their legendary optical-electronic hybrid system to absolute perfection. With the flick of a single physical lever on the front of the body, you can instantly switch between a crystal-clear, real-time optical window that lets you see completely outside the frame line to anticipate a candid moment before it happens, and a blindingly bright, ultra-high-resolution electronic panel that displays exact exposures and digital previews instantly.